You have to teach the boring lesson, period. It's in the curriculum. But maybe it doesn't have to be boring. Maybe it doesn't have to be like watching paint dry. You can take that snooze fest of a lesson and turn it into something that students actually want to learn. Because when students are engaged, academic achievement increases and discipline issues decrease. And isn't that what we all want as teachers? Welcome to a series called Netflix, Chill Out, and Teach, TM.
Oh, who's your favorite character? Mine's Othello.
Oh, tis mine as well, tis mine as well.
Okay. Today, I'm taking inspiration from the comedic geniuses, Key and Peele, and their sketch, They Really Did That to Othello. I'm talking about taking dull lessons and turning them into dazzling lessons, giving your students a reason to care. To set this up, the two characters have just seen the first half of Othello, and they're in the courtyard talking about what they just watched.
Intermission! Oh, Othello is my shine! Yeah! Othello, motherfucker!
Okay, so starting out right away with excitement for the material. Passion can transfer from you to your kiddos, to your students. And so when you're excited about the material and you don't view it as just another boring lesson and infuse a little bit of passion and enthusiasm, your students can feel that as well. Also, mixing the language of some ancient text with modern day texts, with modern dialogue, it makes it funny. You can use familiar type of strategy in your lesson plan to give it a similar contrast, update the language, use analogies to create interest and engagement.
What's you dead, white person? Oh, this place don't seem dope to me, Martensia. Verily, LaShawn, verily. Yo, and 'tis about time Shakespeare doth scriven the play that places a brother amongst the firmament. That's my sight.
I love this line. This is hilarious. So you help your students feel seen and included. And this line here highlights how Othello's story stands out and make the material relatable.
Oh, who's your favorite character? Mine's Othello.
Oh, tis mine as well, tis mine as well.
Because they got Othello as a general? I'm saying, hell if yes.
And Othello did the beast with two backs with that comely white maiden, and didst not anyone speaketh against him. He's straight pimping.
Methinks things are looking up for people of the darker hue.
Damn straight.
Woo! Hey, nani, nani, talking, hey, nani, nani. Come on.
Okay, so I love this so much because they're making fun of some of the antiquated elements of the play, right? With hey, 90. And they're transforming the language of Shakespeare into something catchy and fun. And it demonstrates how humor can increase engagement.
Oh, Martensia, wouldst thou I could borrow a couple of ducats to purchaseth a capon from yonder concession?
More, please. You know I got a concealed Cornish game hand up in my doublet.
Oh, alloweth me to partaketh up in this bit. Oh.
Look, now for this one, for those who are watching the video, if you know, you know.
Okay.
The second act is about to begin.
Come on, y'all. Y'all heard the Ursher. If I know Shakespeare, Othello's about to kill everybody up in this bitch.
So we know that that definitely did not happen. Othello wasn't doop, doop, doop up in there, or psh, psh, psh. It's more accurate. That did not happen. What they are doing here is reframing the plot point in a very playful way. So what you can do is encourage your students to rephrase or reinterpret the content in a similar way. And it brings it to life that makes it fun and memorable. In this next part, they're going to return to the courtyard. It's after curtain. They just finished the entire play. They are extremely upset. You'll see why in a moment. And some of this doesn't really apply to the point that I'm trying to make, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward that. Oh.
You be talking to a skull right now.
Okay.
Where's Shakespeare's at?
Shakespeare.
Oh, he's right there. Not the way.
Prithee.
Make way.
Prithee.
Make way. Prithee, make way. Be gone, Sarah. You killed Othello.
A black man got it going on and you shuffle off his mortal coil?
In this section, the characters are personally offended. They have taken it quite personally, and they're going to confront, or they have confronted, Shakespeare directly. This is a great way to help kids, to help your students engage with the lesson also. You can help them make a personal connection. You can force them to ask the hard questions and have them discuss maybe alternative endings or to have alternative answers to a particular question. What you're also doing is catering to diverse perspectives and learning styles.
To thee, that's a tragedy.
Oh, 'tis that not the troubadour Kanye of the West.
What?
I also say to thee, that's a tragedy. This is great because you're redefining terms. And by redefining terms, you're helping the kids connect with key vocabulary words.
Where's, oh, no, wait.
Truth be told, my lords, 'tis not I who penned this dreadful play. 'Twas Christopher Marlowe.
Yes, it was.
Thou already tried to use that line of argument when the Jews wanted to kick after the Merchant of Venice.
We doth not purchase it, Slick Willie. We doth not purchase it.
We're not picking up what you putting down, Willie. We're not picking up what you putting down, Slick.
Be calm, my good lords. 'Twill not be long before another black hero graceth the stage, and now if you let me take my leave of you.
Not so fast. You gonna write that hero now.
Verily, that mother.
I love this so much. The characters themselves are asking for representation and they're asking for a different narrative. And here at Elite Kids, my mission is to help children see themselves in the clothes they wear, the content they consume, and in the educational resources that they use. Help your students connect to the material personally. You can have them write an alternative ending. You can make them write a character from a different perspective. You can help them solve a problem differently than what was taught, to have them come up with a different solution. There are so many different types of ways you can take the lessons from this sketch and really turn it into a boring lesson into a wow lesson.
You know, that John Shaft is one bad mother. Shut that mouth.
I just speaketh about Shaft.
So with here, you can use what you taught in this lesson because you've engaged the kids, because they have a personal connection to the material. You can now use it to transition into your next lesson or topic. So here's my challenge for you. Pick that one lesson that you dread and give it that Key and Peele spin. Get creative, be unexpected, and your students will thank you. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Netflix, teach, and chill out, and watch this next video right over here.